Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to find your player ID in West Game 2. Knowing your player ID is essential for customer support, joining alliances, or sharing your profile with friends, so let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open the West Game 2 on your Android device or your iOS device. Make sure you're logged into your account with a guest account, Google or Facebook. And once you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside the basic info section, tap on player at the bottom left. On the next page, go to the top of the screen and you'll see your player ID right underneath your player's name. Tap on the copy button right next to the player ID and it will be copied on your device's clipboard. Once you have it in your clipboard, you can paste it somewhere safe, or you can also write it down carefully in a piece of a paper. Make sure the ID matches the account you want to share or use for support, and once you do that, you can easily use it when contacting customer service or joining alliances. That's how you know how you can find your player ID in West Game 2. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Drop a comment below if you want to make more West Game 2. If you want me to make more West Game 2 guides, and I'm happy to cover them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.